welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get latest information for your gadgets. And talking about this gadget, that is HP EliteBook 570 out there, 2570, a very interesting model out here, popularly known as 570p, like 2570p out there. We can say that this gadget was basically designed for both the purpose, that is the corporate world and the household purpose out there. But when we talk about this variant, then we can say that the gadget has got really amazing displays out there, a very different variant out there from the previous versions. And talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a embedded security system of trustworthy, that is CPM 1.2 security chip system. Yes, it offers you security chip system out there. Along with that, yes, definitely Intel vPro technology is also mostly seen out in these gadgets out there. But definitely we can say that EliteBook series or the EliteBook out here is an amazing variant as compared to the other series. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the processing system. Let us talk about the processor out there. Talking about the processor, talking about the processing out there, we can say that it offers you Intel Core i5. Intel Core i5 could be seen out here. That is the third generation out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a speed, that is a clock speed of 2.5 gigahertz. Yes, 2.5 gigahertz is the clock speed offered out here. Apart from that, you get to see it offers you a max turbo speed of 3.1 gigahertz. So max turbo speed of 3.1 gigahertz and clock speed of 2.5 gigahertz could be seen out in this variant, which is definitely an amazing version. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you a mobile Intel QM77 Express chip system, because chip system were introduced out there, so you get to see the mobile Intel QM77 Express chip system. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology. Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 could be seen out there. Along with that, you get to have a good cache memory of L3 cache memory type, providing you 3 MB cache memory. Yes, 3 MB is the installed size of the cache memory of L3 cache. Apart from that, Windows operating system is pre-installed in it, which is of 64 bytes out there. Now, when we are talking about the gadgets, then storage plays an important role. Storage is important in every gadget. So talking about the storage, we can say that it offers you a good storage in the RAM variation. Talking about this RAM variation, then we can say that it offers you installed size of 4 GB. Yes, 4 GB is the installed RAM size out there with a single configuration. Along with that, it offers you a rated memory speed of 1600 megahertz, along with our as well as we can say a different type of a RAM 8 variant out there, that is DDR3 RAM. So DDR3 RAM could be seen, and you get to see a good storage out there. If we talk about this variant, then the maximum support size out in this version, in this variant of 2570 out here is offered is 16 GB. You get to have 16 GB variant out there. Now talking about this variant, we can see that RAM alone does not make a gadget worth it. You get to have a good storage also, so that you get to have a good variant out there, offering you a capacity of 500 GB in the format of HDD hard drive storage. That is the hard drive storage capacity out there, that is 500 GB. It offers you a good spindle speed, which is the rotation per minute, and which actually defines the output of the working everything out there. Talking about this gadget, let us talk about the environmental factors, because we know that HP actually designs its gadget on basis, or we can say designs its gadget according the to provide best optimization for the harsh environmental factors also. It works very well in the humid condition, shock tolerance out there, or temperature out there. It offers very well condition out there. Apart from that, let us talk about the screen size, because screen also plays an important role, and when it is a corporate world design gadget, then it has to have a good screening. It offers you 31.8 centimeter screen size with a display of LED backlight. Yes, LED backlight display is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a resolution of approximately 1366 into 768. That is the HD resolution out there. So HD resolution is offered out here. You get to see a backlight out there. You get to see a good LED display out there. Along with that, you also get to see that monitor is offering you anti-glance. So anti-glance is offered out here in this variant. So overall, it is a good version display variant out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that display is really good. And when we talk about the display, the outcome out there, everything, colorization, everything is coordinated with the graphical processing. Talking about this graphical processing, then we can say that it offers you a good graphical processor of Intel HD. Yes, Intel HD graphics is offered out here. 4000 Intel HD graphics 4000 is offered out in this variant, offering you a good dynamic video memory. Yes, it offers you a good dynamic video memory. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here in the Lightbook series, video dynamic memory series out there, it has got a good integrated webcam with stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones. So you get to have a good sound quality, voice recordings out there. Everything could be done very well. Now talking about this variant, let us talk about the keypad also, because it offers you a touchpad along with point sticks, which offers you gesture controls, volume controls, fill resistance. These kind of things could also be seen. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that it offers you good connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity out here. Along with that, you get to see USB connectivity, 2, 3, audio input output jack connectivity. You get to see power jack connectivity. Along with that, you have a fixed tray, the fixed point for the DVD or the optical drive. Now this optical drive is nothing else but the DVD read and write type, where you can read write your DVD write-ups. So you get to have a fixed tray for the optical drive technology. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good range of working hours in this gadget. You get to have 6-cell lithium ion battery life. 6-cell lithium ion battery life is really good, offering you 65-volt capacity. So it can give you a really good amount of working hours. A great range of working hours could be seen. So let us talk about pricing also, because it also plays an important role. Talking about the pricing, this is the site that is just at click.com. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you great range of connectivity to the products, because it offers you best deals or the pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Yes, pocket friendly rates for your gadgets could be seen out here. Now talking about this gadget or this site, then we can see customizability option is available on this site on the gadgets which can be customized. Yes, the gadgets which can be customized offers customizability option on that. Now let us talk about this gadget which we are talking about, that is HP Elite Book 2570 out there. So this is the result, and we get to see that there is a small description or at the top and at the bottom also. So when we talk about this variant, then we get to see that there is a condition written out here, that is the product condition, refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished product condition out there, so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like. So we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, their structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market. So definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-ownization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it. So it does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget's functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing, everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user like us. We are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done, because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new. If we talk about, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally, if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipment, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speed out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameters? Then it has to be rectified. If it is, it can be renewed, it can be replaced. Then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. Uh, it provides you a good quality product actually. After it is refurbished, it provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still, there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. Because we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But we all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. So talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.